In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a Google Sheets file in Google Drive. Starring a file is a simple way to keep important items just a click away. It doesn't move the file or change who can see it. It simply marks it as a favorite so you can find it faster next time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to drive.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account to access your Drive. Once you're in, you'll be on the main Google Drive page, where you can see your files and folders laid out in either list or grid view. This works the same in all major browsers. Next, locate the Google Sheets file you want to star. You can browse through My Drive or Shared with Me, or, if you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top and type part of the file name. Look for the green spreadsheet icon to quickly spot a Sheets file, and make sure you've selected the correct one if you have similar names. When you've found the file, bring up the file options. You can do this by right-clicking on the file if you're using a mouse. If you don't right-click, no problem. Hover over the file name and click the 3 vertical dots that appear next to it. On a trackpad, a 2-finger click works as well. You'll see a menu open with actions you can take on that file. From this drop-down menu, choose Add to Starred. Sometimes it may appear simply as Star. If you see Remove from Starred, that means the file is already starred. Selecting Add to Starred instantly marks the file as a favorite. Now, take a look at the left sidebar of Google Drive. Click on Starred, which is the section that collects everything you've marked as important. Your Google Sheets file will appear here, alongside any other starred files and folders. This section is perfect for the documents you access regularly, saving you time digging through folders. Remember, starring is only a shortcut. The file still lives in its original folder and keeps the same sharing settings. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Drive, found your Google Sheets file, used the right-click menu or the 3 dots to select Add to Starred, and now it's sitting in your starred section for quick access. Use this for any critical spreadsheets you revisit often, and you'll stay organized and efficient every time you open Drive.